There you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay? Make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement. And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed, 2-bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1-bed, 1-bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room going onto the huge deck on the back. And she's got a screen door here, as you can see, off of her bedroom here going out to the back deck. Okay. Again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay. Huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1-bed, 1-bath, as you can see here. But most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2-bed, 2-bath or a 2-bed, 1.5 bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1-bed, 1-bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So this one here is a 14 by 40 with a 6-foot by 40-foot front porch. It's got a black metal roof on it. Black shutters to match. Beautiful day, by the way, out here in Indiana. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful day. Sun is shining. You can see we got the big BERTHA 3.0 over there. Has been disassembled. That one's been sold, so we're getting ready to ship that one out. Let's go in and show you the inside of this one. Again, very generous 6-foot by 40-foot front covered porch, as you can see here. It does come with the porch swing. Everybody always asks, is the porch swing included? Yes, it is. You can see here on top, we got the hinges that allows for the top of the porch to be folded down. There's also hinges here on the bottom deck to allow the bottom to be folded up. You get these railings taken out. Those go in the cabin, and that's how we're able to fold this cabin up and ship it all over God's country here. As you can see, this is a log stack cabin with the 4x6 timber stacked all the way up. And then you got your gray matter in between the timber called chinking or log jam, and that's what seals the cabin shut. That way, keeps your cool air in the summer and your hot air in the winter. Again, this is the cabin we call the El Chapo Muchacho Rustic 1.0 cabin. Just a beautiful structure, 1-story ranch. let's take you inside of this bad boy real quick and show you what the inside looks like. Before we do, take note of the beautiful handcrafted wooden screen door. Looks like someone's already been here today, so they got the door open. We do get a lot of visitors. And when you walk in, first thing you see on the left, of course, is the open concept living room area. And then you got your kitchenette that's gonna go over this way. Okay, over here is where your stove's gonna go, and your refrigerator goes over this way. And as you can see, we got the kitchen sink there that we're gonna put over here. Remember, we can also add more kitchen cabinets on top. It's up to you. And this is kind of like the 360 view. There's your front door. And again, this is what it looks like in the living room area. You got those pretty knotty pine floors. You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And again, just a super cool rustic Amish built cabin, right? This is built by the old order Amish. Beautiful. Again, the dimensions of this one is a 14 by 40. And it does have a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. You can order this one as a 1 bed, 1 bath, or in this case, we modified it and made this one a 2 bed, 1 bath. So you can see we got the sliding barn door here, which leads to your first room here, which will be your full bathroom. So just gotta imagine it with your tub, toilet, and sink. And we put that on the other side of this wall for obvious reasons, right? Because this is where all your plumbing lines is gonna go from underneath. Okay, and then another sliding door here that goes into bedroom number 2, which can easily fit a full size or queen size bed. And remember, if you only need a 1 bedroom, we can combine this bedroom with this bedroom and make you a much bigger bedroom. But in this case, like I said, we got this set up as a 2 bed, 1 bath deal. So this is gonna be your master bedroom. As you can see, lots of natural light. You got 1 window there by the front porch, 1 window here on the side, and then 1 window towards the back. And again, just a super cool structure built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Again, this one you can buy just like you see it here. We call this the finished shell. This is $69,900. Or if you want it fully turnkey move-in ready, we can do that for $110,000, okay? That'll come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. Let's make our way over to the big BERTHA 1.0 and show you guys that one next. But again, before we do, let me show you one more time what this one looks like on the side. Wow, what a nice looking day it is out here, guys. So again, this is what it looks like side profile. Let me step back for you a little bit. Got them puffy clouds. Where's my Gen Xers at? Where's my baby boomers at? Boomers, Gen Xers, comment below. Comment below. I like to see I got my peoples watching me and my age mates, not just the young bucks. Comment Gen X below or boomer. Comment what year you was born. I'm a 1979 cowboy now. Gen X all the way. So shout out to Gen X and the boomers. Show me some love below in the comment section if you like what you see. Comment Gen X or boomer with the year you was born. I love to see it. All right, guys, let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin, but you just want something that's only $45,000. This is the one we call the Carrot Top. Beautiful cabin. It's an all wood cabin with a tin roof, 26 gauge metal roof. You got your double pane vinyl windows, easy clean. This one here, like I said, has got the 6 foot by 28 foot front porch. It's a 14 by 28 livable. So with the porch open, you're 20 by 28 with the porch open. It's just a simple little cabin. Let me show you inside real quick. Like I said, this one's only $45,000, so it don't take but a second to walk through it here. Open up the front door, and bam, straight ahead, you got your kitchen, the old kitchenette area there. Really nice size open concept living room. You got them beams up there, isn't that pretty? Got them beautiful knotty pine floors, and then when you turn around this way and look over that way, you got your little bedroom there, which we can frame that out if you want us to close it off. You got a storage nook up top there, like a loft. That's where your bathroom's gonna go. And then you got a little nook over here where you put your little closet. So again, this one is only $45,000 as is. Let me step back so you can see it in all its glory. It's called the Carrot Top. Very popular cabin. Again, just $45,000 as is, or you can go smaller. We can do different sizes, but this one here is a 14 by 28, like I said, just like you see it, for 45 grand, or we can put electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in, make it turnkey for $60,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Getting beautiful cabinets. And this is the one we got called the Carrot Top. Okay, this is just a little walkthrough video. Let me show you the outside of it again real quick. And then I know y'all are busy, so I'll let y'all go after this. Here you go. It's got a 26 gauge metal roof on it. We call it Carrot Top because it got an orange roof on it. This one is available for sale off the lot. 45 grand, let's get it done, plus shipping and setup. Or we can do one custom for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, share, and follow. Appreciate you watching my content. Link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com.